But it almost felt like fall.
Yeah, it is. It's chilly out there, and it's going to get even cooler as we head toward the middle of the week. But thankfully, when that air moves in, the wind will be moving out. But yeah, we're having to contend with that wind today, and we even had to talk about some snow that fell over the weekend. It's the shot of the TAOS ski valley, and you can see some snow still coming down, though a lot of it's starting to taper off. But over the weekend, our northern mountains in the higher elevations up near 9,500 feet picked up half a foot of snow or more. And then up in the northwestern corner of the state, places like Farmington, Aztec, picking up nearly an inch or more of rain. So we have gotten some much needed precip. Unfortunately, all of it across the northern part of the state and nothing really far south. We saw a few sprinkles in the metro area, but that was it. Right now, we're still seeing a few light showers up in our northern mountains, and a cold front is sparking a few showers up here in the northeast, up near Raton and Springer, and we may see a few isolated thunderstorms develop in this area as we head into the afternoon. But the overall pattern is going to be for these showers and thunderstorms to fizzle out. The big story, of course, is going to be the wind. Still dealing with some cloud cover here in the metro. No rain here. We will see sun in and out of the clouds today, but we will see a little more sunshine tomorrow. But again, the big story, the wind. Winds right now sustained out of the northwest at 15 to even 35 miles per hour. Out across the east, we're going to be looking at higher gusts today. Those winds are just going to get stronger as we head through the day, gusting to 40 miles per hour for central and western New Mexico. And then for the east mountains and across the eastern plains, they're looking at those gusts up near 50 miles per hour or more. High fire danger across the entire state today, and then the winds unfortunately get stronger as we head into tomorrow. So here's your weather pattern, looking at isolated showers and thunderstorms up across the north for today. Strong winds develop today and continue as we head through the day on Tuesday. Tomorrow we're looking for damaging wind, high fire danger across the state, but we're going to be looking at winds sustained between 25 and 35 miles per hour, gusting to 60 miles per hour or more across a lot of the state. We could be looking at damage from that, and of course visibilities are going to be reduced with that dust blowing around tomorrow, and of course that high fire danger sticking around. And down in the southeast, those winds are stronger. We're still going to see stronger winds down toward the Carlsbad area, so not good news for the firefighters there. Temperature wise this morning, still a little cool out there. Low 50s up to the north, 60 in Albuquerque right now. We're in the middle and upper 70s down in the southeast. It will be mild this afternoon and tomorrow, and then a big cool down moves in for Wednesday, but it will be short lived. Take a look at the numbers here. North and west today, isolated thunderstorms. Winds will be gusting up to 35 miles per hour. Temperatures low 50s for Durango, low 60s for Farmington. Your extended forecast shows as temperatures really dropping. We'll see a few showers tomorrow, rain and snow, and then tomorrow night down into the 20s for Durango and Farmington. Highs only in the upper 50s to low 60s on Wednesday. We're back into the 70s by Thursday, though. South and west, mostly sunny. Winds sustained at 20 to 30 miles per hour with highs in the low 80s. Silver City, low to mid 70s today and tomorrow. Wind dies down on Wednesday. We're in the 80s as we head toward the end of the week. South and east, sunny and windy, gusting to 50 miles per hour here with highs in the mid 80s, near 90 tomorrow, then 70s on Wednesday, and then back into the 90s Thursday and Friday with that wind starting to calm down toward the end of the week. North and east, a few isolated thunderstorms possible with highs in the 60s. Winds will gust up near 25-35 miles per hour today. It will be windier tomorrow and then cooler with less wind on Wednesday with highs in the 60s. We'll be starting off close to the freezing mark, so remember those plants, get those indoors. Northern mountain showers and storms early. Winds gusting to 45 miles per hour, so those showers that are around right now will start to taper off. Drier tomorrow, but windy, highs in the 60s. We'll be back in the 70s by Thursday. And your forecast for the east mountains, partly to mostly cloudy with temperatures in the mid-60s today, winds gusting to 45 and 50 miles per hour. Metro, only partly sunny, still dealing with a cloud cover. Highs today in the low 70s, down into the 40s tonight, 70 tomorrow, and then tomorrow night down into the middle and upper 30s, and we're only topping out in the 60s on Wednesday. And even though it will be cooler, it will feel a little nicer, I think, with less wind around, but really watching those winds tomorrow.
I hope you're right about it getting better.
Yeah, it's going to get better.
Okay, Kristen.